Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful places in Italy are? Well, wonder no more, as we're about to whisk you away on an enchanting journey. We'll be exploring the charm and allure of Italy's crème de la crème, from mesmerizing landscapes to architectural marvels, each a testament to Italy's rich history and vibrant culture. So prepare to be captivated, inspired, and perhaps even a little awestruck. Join us as we embark on a journey through the top 30 most beautiful places in Italy. At number 30, we have the stunning Lake Como. Nestled in the foothills of the Alps, Lake Como is a jewel of extraordinary beauty. Its glimmering waters, framed by towering mountains, create a picturesque scenery that has been captivating visitors for centuries. The lake is also surrounded by charming villages, each with its own unique character and history. Moving on to number 29, we find ourselves in the vibrant and colorful Cinque Terre. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, located on the Italian Riviera, is a collection of 5 fishing villages. The charm of Cinque Terre lies in its pastel-colored houses, perched on rocky cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. The region is also known for its terraced vineyards, where the famous Cinque Terre wine is produced. Next, at number 28, we travel to Verona, the city of love. Known worldwide as the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, Verona is much more than a city of romance. Its well-preserved Roman amphitheatre, the Arena, hosts world-class opera performances, and the city's medieval old town is a treasure trove of history and culture. At number 27, we venture to Napoli, a city that is as passionate as it is picturesque. Napoli is the birthplace of pizza, and its culinary scene is a feast for the senses. But there's more to Napoli than food. Its historic centre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of narrow streets, ancient churches, and grand palaces. Finally, at number 26, we arrive in Brescia, a city that often flies under the tourist radar, but is full of surprises. Brescia is home to some of the best preserved Roman public buildings in northern Italy, and an impressive castle that offers panoramic views of the city. These are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's dive deeper into the beauty of Italy. Moving on to number 25, we find ourselves in the enchanting city of Padua. Nestled in the Veneto region of northern Italy, Padua is a charming blend of history and culture. It's home to the oldest botanical garden in the world and the Scrovegni Chapel, adorned with Giotto's frescoes that will leave you speechless. Next, at number 24, we journey to the bustling port city of Genoa. Known for its central role in maritime trade over many centuries, Genoa is a treasure trove of elaborate architecture. The city's quirky narrow lanes and grand palazzos tell tales of its glorious past. Don't forget to try a slice of the original focaccia, Genoa's gift to the culinary world. At number 23, we are whisked away to the eastern coast of Sicily, to the stunning town of Taormina. Here, the breathtaking views of the Ionian Sea meet the shadow of Mount Etna. The ancient Greek theatre of Taormina, still in use today, offers a spectacle that transcends time. Descending to number 22, we land in the lush landscapes of Umbria. Known as Italy's Green Heart, Umbria is a symphony of rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval hilltop towns. The Basilica of St. Francis in Assisi is a must-visit, a testament to the region's deep spiritual roots. Finally, at number 21, we arrive in Matera, a city that's as ancient as time itself. Known for its extensive cave-dwelling districts, or sassi, Matera is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. The city's unique landscape has even caught the attention of Hollywood, serving as the backdrop for several films. Every corner of Italy is filled with beauty, and we've only just begun. At number 20, we have the spectacular Amalfi Coast. Known for its extraordinary beauty, the Amalfi Coast is a beguiling combination of great beauty and gripping drama. Coastal mountains plunge into the sea in a stunning vertical scene of precipitous crags, picturesque towns, and lush forests. Moving on to the 19th spot, we find ourselves in Bologna, the lively historic capital of the Emilia-Romagna region. With its rich cuisine, miles of porticos, and vibrant political history, Bologna encapsulates everything that is amazing about Italy. Next up, at number 18, is the captivating city of Siena. Known for its medieval brick buildings, Siena is home to the Piazza del Campo, one of the greatest medieval squares in Europe. The city's rich history and breathtaking architecture make it a must-visit. In the 17th spot is the charming city of Lucca. Encased within well-preserved Renaissance walls, Lucca is teeming with unspoiled charm. Its narrow, winding streets, a plethora of beautiful churches, and fantastic villas make Lucca a place that's truly frozen in time. Finally, at number 16, we have Turin. Known for its refined architecture and cuisine, Turin sits at the foot of the Alps, making it an ideal destination for both the city and nature lovers alike. The city's multitude of art galleries, piazzas, and palaces, along with its famous Shroud of Turin, are testaments to the city's historical and cultural importance. We've reached our top 15, and kicking us off at number 15 is the magnificent city of Milan. A global capital of fashion and design, Milan is a bustling metropolis that beautifully marries the old and the new. Its stunning architecture, like the iconic Duomo di Milano, is a testament to the city's rich history, while its trendy boutiques and upscale restaurants reflect its modern sensibilities. At number 14, we find ourselves at the stunning Lake Garda. The largest lake in Italy, it's a paradise for those who love the great outdoors. With its crystal-clear waters, towering mountains, and charming lakeside towns, Lake Garda is a picture-perfect destination that offers something for everyone. Next, we journey to the island of Capri at number 13. Known for its rugged landscape, upscale hotels, and high-end shopping, Capri is a playground for the rich and famous. But it's not just luxury that this island offers. Its natural wonders, such as the Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by an ethereal blue light, are truly breathtaking. At number 12, we have the historic city of Pisa. Beyond its famed Leaning Tower, Pisa is a treasure trove of architectural and artistic marvels. Its medieval streets, charming piazzas, and stunning cathedral make it a city that captures the essence of Italy's past. Finally, at number 11, we have the largest island in the Mediterranean, Sicily. Renowned for its rich culture and history, Sicily is a melting pot of ancient civilizations. Its diverse landscape, from the active volcano Mount Etna to the pristine beaches of its coastline, is a testament to the island's unique charm. As we get closer to our top 10, the beauty of Italy continues to amaze us. We've finally reached our top 10, and at number 10 is the gorgeous city of Florence. A city that is quite literally an open-air museum, Florence is home to some of the world's most acclaimed arts and architecture. From the breathtaking Duomo to the Uffizi Gallery, this city never stops inspiring. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves in the medieval hill town of San Gimignano. Known as the Town of Fine Towers, San Gimignano boasts 14 stone towers that provide a unique skyline, while its well-preserved architecture gives a glimpse into Italy's past. At number 8, we have the stunning coastal town of Positano. Nestled on the Amalfi Coast, Positano is a cascade of pastel-colored houses tumbling down to the sea. Its steep, narrow streets are a joy to explore, filled with boutiques, cafes, and breathtaking views at every turn. Next, at number 7, we arrive in the Eternal City, Rome. A city that needs no introduction, Rome is a treasure trove of history, culture, and cuisine. From the ancient Colosseum to the Vatican City, Rome is a city that continues to captivate and amaze. And finally, at number 6, we find the Dolomites. This mountain range in northeastern Italy is known for its dramatic peaks, serene lakes, and beautiful hiking trails. A paradise for nature lovers, the Dolomites offer an escape into a world of natural beauty and tranquility. The excitement builds as we approach our top 5 most beautiful places in Italy. And now, for our top 5 most beautiful places in Italy. At number 5, we have the breathtaking island of Sardinia. A jewel of the Mediterranean, Sardinia is blessed with stunning beaches and an ancient, mysterious history that still echoes through its rugged landscape. Moving on, we glide over to the city of canals, Venice. At number 4, this city is a living museum with its magnificent palazzos and cathedrals that seem to float on water. Venice is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people. As we journey further into the heart of Italy, we find Tuscany at number 3. This region is home to rolling hills, vineyards, and the world-renowned Renaissance art in Florence. Tuscany is a paradise for food and art lovers alike. Our runner-up is the Italian Riviera, a stretch of coastline that is the epitome of la Dolce Vita. Here, colorful houses cling to cliffs, overlooking the azure sea. The Riviera is a place where glamour and simplicity coexist in perfect harmony. Finally, we reach our number 1 spot, the Amalfi Coast. With its dramatic cliffs, turquoise waters, and picturesque towns, the Amalfi Coast is a symphony of natural beauty. This is Italy at its most enchanting, where every view is a masterpiece. And there you have it, the top 30 most beautiful places in Italy. A feast for the eyes, a balm for the soul. Italy truly has it all. From the stunning Lake Como at number 30 to the breathtaking Amalfi Coast at number 1, we've journeyed through Italy's most beautiful places. This journey has unveiled the remarkable diversity of Italy, from the tranquil lakes, majestic mountains, to the vibrant cities and serene coastal towns. Each place, a unique gem, adds to the charm and allure of this beautiful country. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey through Italy's most beautiful places. Arrivederci, and until next time.